In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile view counter to your GitHub account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. GitHub is a powerful platform for developers, and understanding how to optimize your profile can really make your contributions stand out. One element that some people find helpful is a profile view counter, which keeps track of the number of visits to your profile. While GitHub doesn't offer this feature natively, you can easily implement it using a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, it's worth noting that GitHub actually provides a contributions graph that represents your activity, such as repositories created and contributions made. It's helpful to remember what counts as a contribution on this platform. For example, creating a new repository or forking an existing one always counts as a contribution. Other actions, like opening issues, suggesting pull requests, making commits, and even engaging in discussions, can count depending on specific criteria. So while we won't dive into coding just yet, let's quickly cover what those criteria are to help your profile shine. GitHub contributes to the graph if these activities take place in a standalone repository, meaning not a fork. This is crucial, as too many actions in forks may prevent them from being displayed accurately. Now, what about commits? They only register on your contributions graph under certain conditions. First, the email you used for your commits must be linked to your GitHub account, and the commits themselves must be in the repository's default branch or in the GH Pages branch, if applicable. Plus, you should either be a collaborator on the repository, a member of the organization owning it, or have opened a pull request or issue. All of this aligns perfectly with how visibility works on GitHub, which can enhance your experience. Now moving on to the fun part. To add a profile view counter, you can use a third-party service. One popular choice is using a simple HTML widget from a site like counter.dev. To start, you'll want to visit their website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're set up, you will be given a unique code snippet that you will need to integrate into GitHub. Next, navigate to your GitHub profile page and click on the Edit Profile button. In the Bio section, you'll want to insert the code snippet you copied from counter.dev. Make sure to save your changes. What happens next? Every time someone visits your profile, the counter will increment, displaying the total number of views directly on your page. It's a pretty neat way to gauge interest in your profile and see how many people are exploring your work. To wrap things up, remember that while a profile view counter is a great tool, the real value comes from the contributions you make and how effectively you showcase your skills and projects. GitHub is all about sharing knowledge and collaborating, so focus on building a meaningful presence. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in adding a profile view counter to your GitHub profile.